Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Melissa, and today I am going to meal prep with you for 2021. We are going to meet our goals and also eat really well because I got a new air fryer / pressure cooker, and I'm going to use the pressure cooker side to show you how to make these amazing boneless, skinless chicken thighs that are so flavorful that you can make in 5 minutes. Well, not 5 minutes. You're going to cook in the pressure cooker for 5 minutes, but you're going to prep took about 20. So it's really simple. You're going to put all of these chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, in a bowl and add olive oil. Now you can add as much or as little as you want. You just have to have some. So when you cook it in the pressure cooker, you're going to need it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. You're going to add your favorite seasonings. This blend of seasoning that I am adding is so unbelievably good. Trust me. Tony's Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and a lot of cracked, fresh black pepper. Massage it all together. Now, you see that I don't really use measurements, but it's about 2 tablespoons of Tony's, probably a tablespoon of garlic powder, and I don't even know how much black pepper. Just put a lot in there. Massage it really good. Then you're going to get some garlic, and boom, there it is. You're going to mince it up, add it. There was about 5 to 7 cloves of garlic that I chopped up magically. Once you get the garlic in there, you're going to massage it some more and make sure you incorporate it all together. And you're going to want to let it sit there for a little bit, about 20, 30 minutes. So the cool thing about the pressure cooker that I have, and whether you have an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, I'll link mine below, is you can actually saute right in the pot, which is amazing. Don't do it in the base. You got to put it in the actual little pot that it comes with. And you can saute it. Now, the reason I put my little finger up in your face there was because I do not want you to mess with it. So when you saute, you got to let it brown. So don't move it around. Just let it sit there for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when you flip it over, it's going to look like this. I mean, look at that. It's not sticking at all. I couldn't get over how great this little item was and how well it cooked these chicken thighs. So now you see that it's not too big. So you do have to do this in batches. So I took these out and then go ahead. It doesn't take too long, but you're going to want to brown them, because this is going to make it more flavorful than just putting it in the steamer or pressure cooker without browning it. And then they're going to come out like this. Look how nice that is. Now here is my trick. You are going to, well, it's not really a trick. You really kind of have to do it. You have to deglaze that pot there because you want to get all the bits off at the bottom, because it might give you a little burn signal, because it might show that you're, it might pick up those bits at the bottom of the pot and think it's burning. It's not burning, but it might think it is. So make sure you deglaze the pan, which you need liquid anyhow. So I use chicken stock, and then I just use a wooden spoon, get it all up, and then add a packet of Sazón. Oh my gosh, the flavor this infused into that chicken is unbelievable. So mix it up, and then we're gonna add our chicken back. Now I took a little rack that it came with and I put it upside down so that I can pull the chicken out easier. And here's the great thing about the pressure cooker is it's not like an air fryer, which you need to have space between the food items in an air fryer for it to cook properly. But this is so great because you can just pile it all in and look, put all the juices in there. That right there is all the flavor. You don't want to skip on this. This meal prep is so good. I could not believe what came out of this pressure cooker. So I'm just showing you the little pieces here. I'm sure if you're watching this, you already have one. If you don't, I'm going to link it in the description box because I really liked mine, and I like the fact that it's an air fryer too. But it's pretty simple to use. There you go. I turned it on pressure cooker mode, and I cooked this for 5 minutes. It should be the same no matter what brand you have. But if it had bone in, I would have done it about 10 minutes. So it only took 5 minutes for all that chicken. Now that little sign right there just shows that it's warming up. And then now look, it was done. So it warmed up, it cooked for 5 minutes, and oh gosh, here comes the fun part. Lord, there it is. Okay, so you don't have to let the steam out like that, but when it's done, so you don't burn yourself, you let the steam out, or you could just let it happen naturally, but I was ready for it, so I let it out. And there it is. Look at this chicken. It just falls apart. I mean, you could use this on tacos. You could use this for anything. I could not get over how moist and delicious this was. So again, what I'm going to do with this is throw it over a salad each day for my lunch. And you see how moist that is? Chopping it up. I'm going to put it on top. And then I love this. This is just a little bonus something here for you. I got this tzatziki, I don't know how to say it, tzatziki style dip. I got it from Walmart and I cannot believe how delicious it is. So I'm obsessed with it. So I just threw that right on top. And honestly, this would be so good in a gyro too. Oh my gosh. But I was trying to do a little bit low carb here for, 2021. And look at this. It's gorgeous. If you have any questions on my pressure cooker, let me know in the comments section. If not, I'm so happy that you guys could join me today. I hope you love this recipe. Please try it. It's so amazing. Like, comment, share, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your subscribing, and happy 2021.